Hello and welcome to another video. My lights have been changed, so I've got two brand new headlights. They left me a message on last Thursday the 16th to say that they had some in stock, so I booked it in for today, Wednesday, and they've been changed and they're looking great. Headlights a couple of days before they're due to be changed, so you can see there's a little bit of degradation on the driver's side. It's the right hand side of the car, and if I move across you can see the passenger side, the near side. It's got it really bad. Just about see that there, but it's worse at the top there. There's not a mark on them, nice and crisp and clear. Okay, I'm just going to test my HBA, which is the high beam assist. It automatically puts it on main beam when cars are coming towards you and points the lights away from other vehicles. So you have to have your headlights on auto for this to work, and push down on the stalk, on the lighting stalk, and you'll see it says auto. When it detects street lights, the main beam stays off. So now as I'm leaving this lit area, you will see, as soon as I get out of the lit spot area, the main beam will come on, and if there's a car coming towards me, it points the lights into the left, away, so it doesn't dazzle the vehicle. We're off into the darkness now. And the main beams come on. And you can see it points into the side, to the left. Something comes towards me. When the car went, the lights go back up. And now I'm behind another vehicle, so it should just turn it off or turn it in. People aren't flashing me, so that's a good sign. So I'm just going to turn around and go back down, and then that concludes this demo. So my lights are fully operational and tested. Notice that the main beam went off when you were in the lit area, and it'll come back on now. Probably. Yeah, there it goes. And the light shall point into the left, away from the oncoming vehicles. And now it's spread back out across the road, and the cars went. And now they've just gone in again. And then they sweep back out, and then I'll go back in again. something rattling in the centre console. Might be my stop lock on the floor. And as we get into the street light area, you'll see the blue main beam will just switch back off onto normal headlamp mode. Yeah, it's gone back green again. Okay, these are my new headlights in DRL mode in the dark. Left and right. Sequential left. Right. Headlights. Beam. And that's all my lights tested. Anyway, I hope you find that useful. Thank you for watching.